Look, y'all, I got my exercise. I went to Walmart, had to get a big old case of water. I got 2 pizzas because the flood's coming. The flood's coming. Okay, here we go. All right. We got plenty of Popeyes and prepping. Oh, I'm gonna have to make room for that pizza. This is a London broil roast and some steakums. Okay, now we got 2 pizzas. 3 now. 3 pizzas, plenty of Popeyes. Now don't come over here when y'all are out of power. Because that's our pizza. Okay. Then, let's see what else we got. I'm about worn out. Okay. We got cereal for David, because he loves his cereal and milk. I got the cheap kind, shredded wheat. And we got bananas. Got bananas. I think I got the flashlight on this thing. Okay, bananas. And we got some of this sugar-free syrup. Yeah. We got, look, and I ordered David some low-cal flour. Look at that, they're real little tiny ones, David, I'm sorry. Okay. Then we got David's favorite fruit, grapes. Okay. And we got his favorite cheese, Gouda. So we put all the bags in there. Got the grapes. I got another case of water in the car. So if that hurricane comes up our way, I got plenty of water. Okay, that group. Okay. Then we got plenty of paper towels for the flood. And I got you a big old thing of socks, David. See? Big old thing of socks. And I got me some socks. These are the socks I got because they're not socks, they're like booties. I got them for when it's cold outside, y'all. See? There's my bag in here. Okay. And then we got David's. We got some milk. I gotta hurry up because I'm tired. Hold on. This is my exercise going wrong. Okay. Okay, we got a bunch of bags, more trash bags. I mean, not trash bags. Oh yeah. I'm gonna make some muffins when it's cold. I got some muffin. See? Muffin cups. Okay, and I'm gonna hurry up because I gotta get off this. Got me some body wash. This is mango. Rosemary, you said you like how I smell. This is what I use. This says, oh my Lord, what is this? Oh yeah, shampoo and conditioner. Okay, Gardner. That's good. Then I got toothpaste. And I got a big thing of foil, aluminum foil. Okay, more. I gotta hurry up because I'm getting tired. And I got a big old thing of peroxide. I'm getting tired. Okay. Okay, 2 more bags. 1 more. Oh, now look at y'all. I got these things. I don't know why David's on a diet. They're cherry Pop-Tarts, but anyway, that's for when the storm is here and everybody's depressed. Okay, then they got brownies. for holiday. Blueberry muffins for when I bake. And I got some Dunkin' Donut coffee, which I can't live without coffee. And another banana nut. So, oh yeah, one more thing after this. Got David socks over there. And I got the best kind napkins you can buy, y'all. These are the best kind. The 80 comes in here. There's some good napkins. Okay, y'all, that's about all I bought. I have to check my list, check it twice. All right, see y'all later. I'm about pooped.